To export contacts from Active Camping to a Google Spreadsheet, start by logging into your Active Camping account on the website. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can find the Context section on the left-hand side menu panel. Click on the top Contacts menu, and you will be able to view all your contacts and email addresses. To export them, select all the contacts using the checkbox at the top left. Then click on the Export option at the top right of the screen. You will be prompted to give a name to your contacts file and select the fields you want to export. After doing so, click on the Export button at the bottom. The export will be added to a queue, and you can view its progress by clicking on the Click Here to View Progress option on the pop-up. Once the export is finished, you can download the file from the Download button on the right, and it will be saved to your computer's Downloads folder. Next, you need to upload the file to Google Drive so you can open and edit it in Google Sheets. Log into your Google Drive account and upload the exported file by dragging it from your Downloads folder to Google Drive. Once the file is uploaded, click on the folder icon on the Upload menu to go to the file's location. Right-click on the file, then select Open from the pop-up menu, and choose Google Sheets from the list of options. The exported file will now be added to Google Sheets, where you can edit, modify, and share it with your team for collaboration.